A meeting room. A large meeting room. When setting up a remote video call, you might need a panoramic camera, a close-up camera, several mix-in speakers, an endpoint, and countless cable. Now you only need a video bar. Integrated design. Simple deployment. Combined with panoramic and close-up lens, boasting 120 larger eyes-only viewing, can detect every attendance thus. The close-up lens targets active speakers with an industry-leading 12x optical zoom. Panoramic and close-up split screen can be displayed with PIP. RB20 has 4AI filming algorithms. Smart framing adapts to crowd size, keeping all participants in view. Automatic speaker framing tracks communication progress in real time. With multi-sequence display capabilities, each attendee receives equitable visibility when you need to do the presentation on the move. Just use a simple gesture, close go follow the objective. Built-in 6 microphone array with beamform algorithms in the radius of 8 meters, and 2000s can precisely locate the presenter. The RB20 can be cascaded with 3 extended microphone, dual high-power full-range speakers, embedded advanced AI audio processing algorithm, making the online communication just like face-to-face. Various interfaces bring you with flexible experience. Support wireless BYOM with screen sharing. It also allows for more reliable wired projection via network cable connection. Change the platform as you wish. After turning off, it automatically switches into privacy mode. ROCWARE RB20 4K dual lens PTZ video bar, your first choice for an efficiency medium.